Landscaping, Springfield, Illinois. We have been providing landscaping and landscape maintenance services to Springfield, Illinois homeowners and businesses for more than 15 years. We take pride in providing high-quality services at fair and reasonable prices. Some of our services include tree planting, brick and vinyl edging, mulch supply, delivery, and installation, including bulk mulch, downspout drainage, and elongation services, rock installation, installation and design services for plants, shrubs, and flowers, bed weed control, pruning, and many other related services. To learn more, click on the website link below or give us a call at 217-899-0091.